Creation of a principal bus in CCM devices. In order to create a principal data bus, you will need several principal devices from the CCM product range and interconnect them using the provided 4-wire cable. You will also need pliers to crimp the connectors to the 4-wire cable. Secure the work area. Turn off the residual current circuit breaker or the main protection and the rest of the thermal magnetic switches from the box where the installation will take place. Check the current direction. Install the principal devices. You can find more instructions in the relevant video on how to install principal devices. Use one of the cables provided with the principal device. The cable has a connector already crimped on one end, which will be connected to the principal device via the black connector. Use the rest of the separate connectors from the cable bag to connect the rest of the principal devices. In order to crimp the rest of the connectors to the 4-wire cable and at the required distance, you need to place the connector with its outside clip or polarity sign on top of the red wire of the 4-wire cable and press the connector firmly with the pliers until the pins pass through the cable and close the seals. Crimp the second connector with the pliers and repeat the procedure until all the connectors are linked to the principal devices which will be plugged in the bus. The red connector of the device serves to connect the secondary bus and the black connector connects the principal bus. The remaining cable will be connected to the general master of the RS485 bus.